I was happily driving when a maniac made me take evasive action to avoid a collision. I will let you watch this very short clip and then take you through it.
Yo man, what the f***?
So let's break this down in its components and see how it should be done. So I'm approaching such restrictions on the road. So we can see I've circled there, these are called traffic calming measures, and they basically narrow down the road to a single car. So probably the people on the right, the houses, people were barreling down the road with 30-40 miles an hour, so they just wanted people to slow down. Next, there is a sign that's towards me and it says priority over oncoming vehicles. So I have a priority to pass this narrowing on the road. And of course, on the opposite side, the car that is waiting there, they also have a sign and it says give way to oncoming vehicles. You have a red arrow. So they give way to me and I pass, and then if there are no other cars coming behind me, they can go. And this is how it should be done. So then I'm on my way and pass through. Thank you very much indeed for waiting. And then I come on this slight uphill here. And if you notice, my speed is already, I'm not barreling down with some huge speed. I'm already 25 miles an hour. And these three cars, because it's a slight bend, these three cars are already going through the narrowing. It's the same narrowing as before. And of course I kind of slow down a bit. My speed is 23 miles an hour down at the bottom. And of course I'll have to wait for these. It's a bit difficult for them to see me. But the thing is, that car up there, slight hill, they can see me pretty well that I'm coming down. And of course the same thing. I have a sign, priority over oncoming vehicles, so I can pass, they have to wait, and I can pass through this narrowing or traffic calming measures. Of course, on the opposite side, for that car there, they have a give way to oncoming vehicles. And if you put it slightly forward, the video, the arrow shows this car. I mean, the camera on my car is slightly high, so that's why I can see it halfway this car is seen. But I'm slightly lower position in the car, so these two cars really obstruct my view. I thought they have stopped and waiting for me because I cannot really see the car at all from the second black car. In addition to that, I'm also, because there is red car parked there, so it's kind of narrows down the road a bit more. So I'm trying to concentrate not to hit the curb and kind of leave this narrow space between the curb and the white car. So not only I can't see the car with the arrow there that is waiting for me, I hoped it was waiting for me, I also have to pay attention to how wide this is. And then we go. This car has actually gone through. They didn't at all wait for me. They probably followed the other three cars, say, well, they are passing, I have to pass as well. Or they didn't at all see the sign, or they're a bit cheeky, well, I'm not waiting, I'm first here, so I have to go. And if you see my speed, I'm not even barreling down, I'm traveling 20 miles an hour already. So what this suggests is that had I not stopped so abruptly to zero, if I hadn't been on my brakes very quickly indeed, they were probably traveling 20 miles an hour as well. I was traveling 20 miles an hour as well. So this would be head-on collision 40 miles an hour. So imagine you hit a tree at 40 miles an hour. That's a pretty big impact. And of course I was a bit annoyed with that and I went through. But what you can see from the rear camera here is that they have the sign. They have give way onto oncoming vehicles. It's not like they didn't see it. It's not like it was raining, it was fog. They didn't at all see the sign. It's clear there that the sign give way to oncoming vehicles. And that's it. That was my short video. So let me know for any comments in the comment section of the video. I suspect they didn't pay attention, they didn't look at the sign, they thought, there are three cars, I'm going through. I couldn't care less. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you.